Welcome to my channel Sunmake Talkies. Today I'm gonna show you how a volcano erupts. For this we need a piece of paper, cardboard, glue, watercolors and tissues. Let's make the mountain first with this hard paper. The mountain is ready. Now I will put this bottle inside the mountain. The mountain is fixed on the base. Now we will cover with tissue to look like a real mountain. Our mountain is ready. Now let us color it. The mountain is ready. It's time for eruption. Now for the lava, we need liquid soap or shampoo, vinegar, baking soda and food colors. With the help of funnel, we will add 4 spoons of baking soda. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of red and yellow food color. Now I am adding liquid soap. Now I am adding vinegar. It's time for eruption. It has been started. Oh wow. Wow. It's I hope you liked the experiment. Thank you. Bye bye. Today I am gonna show you with help of shuffle. It's in
Thank you friends for